Here are some amazing facts about king vulture. General information. Scientific name: the king vulture is scientifically known as Sarcoramphus papa. Family: it belongs to the Cathartidae family, which includes other New World vultures. Lifespan: in the wild, they can live around 25 years, but they may live longer in captivity. Weight: they weigh about 6 to 10 pounds, 2.7 to 4.5 kilograms. Wingspan: their wingspan ranges from 4 to 5.5 feet, 1.2 to 1.7 meters. Height: they stand about 2.5 to 3 feet, 75 to 85 centimeters tall. Habitat: king vultures are typically found in tropical lowland forests and savannas of Central and South America. Range: they are found from Mexico to Argentina, particularly in the Amazon basin. Conservation status: although not endangered, their population is decreasing due to habitat loss. Diet: king vultures are scavengers, feeding primarily on the carcasses of dead animals. Physical appearance: colorful head: their most distinctive feature is their brightly colored head, which can have hues of red, orange, yellow, purple, and blue. Featherless head: the head and neck are mostly featherless, a common trait among vultures to help keep them clean. Iridescent wings: their wings are primarily white with black tips, but they shimmer with an iridescent sheen. Beak: they have a strong, hooked beak perfect for tearing into tough carcasses. Carnassial ridge: a prominent ridge on their beak helps them rip into tougher hides that other vultures can't. Eyes: they have bright white or pale yellow eyes, giving them a piercing gaze. Neck ruff: the base of their neck is encircled by a soft ruff of grayish feathers. Unique feet: unlike other birds of prey, king vultures have weak talons, designed for walking and holding food rather than catching prey. Thermoregulation: their bald head and neck aid in thermoregulation, helping to cool them in hot climates. Size dimorphism: there is little size difference between males and females, though males are typically slightly larger. Behavior and feeding. Carrion feeder: they primarily feed on carrion dead animals and play a crucial role in the ecosystem by cleaning up carcasses. Opportunistic eater: while they prefer larger carcasses, they can feed on smaller dead animals when food is scarce. Large scavenger: king vultures are known to arrive at large carcasses before smaller vulture species, due to their size and dominance. Lone scavenger: unlike other vultures, they are often solitary feeders, though they may gather in small groups at large carcasses. Strong beak: their beak allows them to tear through tough hides that other scavengers cannot penetrate. Opening the carcass: they are often the first vulture species to tear open a carcass, allowing smaller vultures to access the softer insides. No sense of smell: unlike the turkey vulture, king vultures lack a keen sense of smell and rely on their sharp eyesight to locate food. Hierarchy: at a carcass, king vultures dominate over other vultures, earning them the title of king. Clean feeders: they are considered cleaner feeders, often keeping their head cleaner than other vulture species while feeding. Scavenge from predators: they will often scavenge from carcasses left behind by jaguars, ocelots, or other predators. Reproduction. Monogamous: king vultures are believed to be monogamous, forming long-term pairs. Breeding season: their breeding season varies depending on their location, but it generally occurs during the dry season. Nest location: they typically nest in tree cavities or on rocky ledges, hidden from predators. Egg laying: females lay a single egg per breeding season. Egg incubation: both parents share the responsibility of incubating the egg for about 53 to 58 days. Parental care: both the male and female take turns feeding and caring for the chick after it hatches. Chick appearance: the chick is born with a covering of downy white feathers. Fledging, the chick leaves the nest, or fledges, at about 3 to 4 months old. First flight, after fledging, the young vulture begins to practice flying and gains independence over the next few months. Long lifespan, they have a long lifespan compared to many other birds, often living for decades in the wild. Role in ecosystem. Nature as cleaners, by feeding on carrion, they help prevent the spread of diseases that can result from decaying animal bodies. Controlling populations, their scavenging behavior helps control populations of scavenger species, such as bacteria and flies. Important seed dispersers, though primarily carnivorous, vultures occasionally consume seeds present in the digestive tracts of herbivorous animals, helping to disperse plant seeds. Ecosystem engineers, by keeping the landscape clear of decaying matter, king vultures promote a healthier environment for other animals. Indicator species, their presence or absence can indicate the health of an ecosystem, as they require abundant prey species and relatively undisturbed habitats. Fewer competitors, unlike some other scavenger species, king vultures face less competition due to their ability to open tough carcasses. Predator interaction, they sometimes follow predators like jaguars to find fresh kills to scavenge. Community interaction, other scavengers, like smaller vultures, benefit from the king vulture's ability to tear through carcasses. Decomposers, in a broader sense, king vultures act as natural decomposers in ecosystems.